Hello, my name is Jeremy, and welcome to a guide on new student enrollment for fall 2022 presented by Thurgood Marshall College Academic Advising. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a better understanding of UC San Diego's two-pass enrollment system and will learn how to navigate different degree planning and enrollment tools. We will also go over additional enrollment tips and discuss the waitlisting process. Firstly, what is a two-pass enrollment process and why does UCSD use it? UCSD divides course enrollment into two phases, first and second pass. First pass for new students begins the week of August 17th. During your first pass, you can enroll in a maximum of 11.5 units. Waitlisting is not available during your first enrollment window. For most students, 11.5 units will allow them to enroll in two 4-unit courses. Second pass will begin the week of August 27th. During your second pass, you will have the option to enroll in open courses or join the waitlist for courses that are full. The maximum number of units you can enroll and waitlist in is 19.5, so this is approximately 4 4-unit courses. We advise students to use their first pass to enroll in time-sensitive courses that need to be completed as soon as possible. These do tend to fill up quicker. This may include the doc series if you're entering as a first year, major requirements, or prerequisite courses. The two-pass system lets students prioritize these types of courses, allowing you to enroll in at least 2 4-unit classes before any second passes begin. On the other hand, the second pass is useful for requirements that have greater flexibility or while you might have more time to complete the requirement, such as GEs, minor courses, and electives. Now that you know the fundamentals of two-pass enrollment, let's move on to how we actually enroll and plan out courses. The first thing all new students should do is check the Enrollment Guidance tab on the Virtual Advising Center by visiting vac.ucsd.edu. Based on your academic background, this page will give you suggestions for your fall 2022 schedule. If you submitted your academic background before June 16th, then your enrollment guidance will be available August 10th. Next, we recommend visiting plans.ucsd.edu to see an example of a degree plan for your specific major. Make sure to select to view 4-year plans if you're a first-year student and 2-year plans if you're a transfer. Here, we have a degree plan for a first-year psychology major where it's recommended for fall to take Doc 1, a science course, a math course, and a GE. Based on your transfer credits, you can alter this plan as needed depending on your remaining requirements. Moving on to our next planning tool, let's discuss your degree audit. The degree audit shows you every requirement you must complete before graduation. The degree audit also includes a list of courses underneath each requirement, letting you know which classes you can choose from. It's strongly recommended to run a new degree audit before every enrollment period to be aware of which requirements you still need to finish. For a detailed explanation of every Marshall College GE, please visit marshall.ucsd.edu/GE. Here, you can click on any of the GEs to see a list of course options that you may take. An important section is the disciplinary breadth requirement, which doesn't have a set list of options, but rather changes based on the discipline of your major. For this reason, we include a drop-down menu where you can input your major to see a list of departments whose courses will meet these requirements. Once you've figured out your requirements with the previous tools, it's time to head over to WebReg, UCSD's online registration system. WebReg's search feature lets you search for courses by department code and course number. We strongly recommend searching through WebReg before your enrollment start time in order to plan out your schedule. Once you've found a course you want to use, click the Plan button to add it to your planned courses. When your enrollment time begins, return to WebReg and click the Enroll button to officially add the planned course to your fall 2022 schedule. Now that you know how to plan your courses, we'll cover how to actually enroll and waitlist in your desired classes. Upon logging into WebReg and selecting fall 2022, you will be able to check your appointment times for the first and second pass. It's very important to write down this information so as to not miss your enrollment windows. Next, even if a course has seats available, you might be restricted from enrolling due to course restrictions and prerequisites. Some courses require students to be upper division standing or in a certain list of majors. You will need to request permission to enroll if you do not meet these requirements. To request pre-authorization to enroll in a course due to any restrictions or prerequisites not being met, please use Ucsd's Enrollment Authorization System, or EASY for short. Please note, you may need to provide proof that you have met all the prerequisites for a course in order to be approved. To access EASY, please visit easy.ucsd.edu. During your appointment times, you will have the opportunity to enroll in your planned courses. If it's your second pass and there are no seats available, you can also add yourself to the waitlist instead. If you need to waitlist in a course, here are a few things to keep in mind. You cannot waitlist in multiple sections of the same course or another section of a course in which you are already enrolled. Next, to be considered a full-time student, you must be enrolled in at least 12 units. This does not include waitlisted units. Lastly, there is always a chance that you will unfortunately not be admitted off the waitlist. When you are given a seat in a course off the waitlist, you will receive an email confirmation and the course will be added to your enrolled class schedule. Be sure to confirm your grading options for any of these courses. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you have any questions, please visit vac.ucsd.edu to send us a message. Goodbye.